Good morning, students. Let's start with question number 5 of practice set 28. Snehal has a red ribbon that is 80 centimeter long. So your red ribbon is 80 centimeter long and blue ribbon is 2.2 meter long. Blue ribbon is 2.20 meter long. What is the ratio of length of a red ribbon to that of blue ribbon? Now see, if you observe properly, here unit is centimeter and here unit is meter. So you have to convert one unit into another unit first, right? So we will convert this 2.20 into centimeter. So 2.20 multiplied by 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? Now see, 1, 2, 3, 22, and how many digits are there? 1, 2. So 1, 2. So your 220 centimeter blue ribbon you have, right? Now ratio of red ribbon to blue ribbon means your red ribbon will come in numerator and blue ribbon will come in denominator, right? Now what is the quantity or what is the measurement of red ribbon? That is 80 centimeter and blue ribbon is 220 centimeter, right? Now this 80 and 220 is coming in one table, or you can do like this. This 0 0 will cut, remaining number is 8 and 22. This 8 and 22 can divide by 2. So 8 divided by 2 and 22 divided by 2, right? 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So the ratio is 4:11. Understand? This is your answer. Now move to the last sum of this practice set, that is 6th one. Now see, in this 6th one you have to read the sum properly, understand it and then solve. Okay. See the first. There are 3 ratios asked, right? Shubham age today is 12 years. What is Shubham's today's age? Shubham's today's age is 12 years, right? And his father is 42 years. Father is 42 years. Shubham's mother is younger than his father by 6 years. Now see, younger means what? Small. So mother's age is less than 42 by 6, means 36 years, right? Got it? Now you have to find out the ratio. First one is, see, we got this 3 ages. First is ratio of Shubham age today to his mother's age today. First question is what? Ratio of Shubham age today and his mother's age today. What is Shubham's today's age? 12 and mother's today's age is 36. 12 and 36 are coming in one table. That table is 12 itself. 12 divided by 12 and 36 divided by 12. 1 upon 3. 1:3. Understand? Huh? Second one, see, now I am roughing this. Second one is what? Ratio of Shubham's mother's today's age and his father's age today. So first whose name come? Mother's name. So you have to write Shubham mother age to Shubham's father age. Both today age we want. See, what is mother's age? 36 and father's age is 42. Now 36 and 42 is coming in one table. That table is 6. 36 divided by 6, 42 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36 and 6 7s are 42. So your answer is 6:7 or 6 upon 7. Okay. Now the next and the last one is the ratio of Shubham's age to his mother's age when Shubham was 10 years old. Now see here. See, now Shubham is 12 years old, right? When he was 10 years means what? Before 2 years. So, when Shubham was 10 years, obviously his mother also younger than 2 years. So, Shubham's age is 10 years. Then mother's age 36 minus 2, that is 34 years. Right? So, we have to find out ratio of Shubham's age to mother's age. So, Shubham's age to mother's age at that time. 10 upon 34. Now this 2 number can divide by one number, that number is 2. 10 divided by 2, 34 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 17. 17 2s are 34. So your ratio is 5:7. Understand everyone? Now the next practice set 29 we'll take in the next lecture. Till then, question number 5 and question number 6 is your today's homework along with your tables. If you have any doubt in this, ask me in my personal. Till then, bye and take care.